Welcome to the Daily Message. On this Friday in the third week of Lent, we're called to remember from the Gospel of Mark, chapter 12, and also in the daily meditation about the two great commandments, love of God and to love our neighbor as ourselves. And my thought for today is to remember that this is really one commandment, that love of God, love of neighbor, and love of self are all exactly the same thing. That when we love ourselves for who we are, and when we love our neighbors as they are, and when we love our neighbor as ourselves, we are loving God. We are loving the godliness, the divinity that exists in each one of us. And so there really is no difference at all between love of God and love of neighbor. And any defect in our love for ourselves or for our neighbor is, by default, a defect in our love for God. I invite us to think and meditate on that as we continue our Lenten journey. Thank you once again for watching. Have a great, safe, and healthy weekend.